Hey, everyone. So you hop in your Ford Focus, turn the key. And the dashboard? Totally blank. No speedo, no fuel gauge, nothing. But check it out. Your blinkers and headlights still work. So what gives? This is a pretty common issue with the Ford Focus MK2, and the fix is super simple. We're heading under the dash to take a look at fuse box. The fuse box is inside the cabin, right, under the passenger side console. You might have to open the cover to access it. So here's the fuse. Right here, we've got a little 5 amp fuse in number 69, dedicated to the instrument cluster. It's in kind of a weird spot, so take your time finding it. You probably don't need to replace the fuse. Just pull it out and put it back in using a fuse puller. While it would not hurt to replace the fuse, if you don't have a fuse handy, go ahead and remove and reinsert the fuse before going to the store to buy a new fuse. And there we go. Fuel, speed, everything's back. So even though that fuse looked okay, it was totally dead. Simple fix, huge relief. If this helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more quick DIY car fixes. Catch you in the next one.